Hi, I'm Andrew McBride. I work for Scottish Natural Heritage and I'm Programme Manager for Peatland Action. With Peatland Action, what we're actually doing is going out there and finding where the multiple benefits are of doing peatland restoration. And those benefits actually affect us all. It not only affects people walking down Princess Street, but it actually affects land managers greatly. And I think that's what we're doing here today, is pulling together the different thought processes on how we can actually deliver not just peatland restoration, but a whole wide range of public benefits. And it's very important on those mechanisms that we do that. With Peatland Action, what we're actually looking for, we're looking for that zone where people can come together and find that mutual benefit of doing something. And one of the things that we find, even with the public or also land managers as well, is, for example, peatland needing restored is not fully appreciated. And we've got about a third of Scotland's peatlands, 600,000 hectares, in a degraded condition. What we need to do is actually improve that condition so it doesn't have other costs on society, because society is paying the costs of water quality, for example, coloration of water, having to be filtered to actually clean it up. That's a cost to society. But what we're also finding is there are benefits to land managers to do peatland restoration. Not only, if, for example, if there's a hydro scheme there, what the bog is actually doing in its restored condition is holding on to that water just that bit longer, and it takes out that peak of the peak flow of the heavy rains coming down and then smooths it out, but also it creates base flow. So when we have a drought like last year, we've got a base flow of water. And also from the point of view of, say, wildfire, wetting up our peatlands just makes absolute sense. And after the wildfires down south last year, we don't want that to be happening in Scotland.